So you can use your salad spinner for a lot more than just salad, like I mentioned. You can use it for delicate fruits and vegetables like berries. You can use it for leafy herbs. You can use it for greens, like cooking greens, and then you can use it for lettuces. So I'm gonna go on and get some of my lettuce washed. And what I'm gonna do with this, I've got 2 heads in this early spring share. So I'm gonna go on and wash one, and I'm gonna leave the other one intact. Whenever you get any sort of green, if there is a band or twist tie or anything around it, which is gonna happen pretty frequently because once your farmers want it to take up less room in the box, go on and take that off to let it breathe, right? This is gonna be the head that I'm gonna wash right away. You wanna sort of get down in there. See, a lot of dirt likes to hide down here by the core or by where they cut the lettuce off. So make sure that you're breaking it down all the way at the bottom. You can tear it if you like, or you can leave it whole and put it in a bowl of water. You can also do this if you have a nice large sink and you fill your sink up with cool water and go on and break up the leaves and stick it in that nice cool water. My salad spinner is not super huge, so yours may not be either. You might have to do this in a couple batches. But the idea is you let it just sort of sit in the water just for a few seconds. This is also a great way if your lettuce, maybe you forgot about your CSA share, maybe it was sitting on your neighbor's porch for a little bit too long, you picked up your lettuce and maybe it looks a little wilted. This is a good way to refresh greens as well. Just letting it sit in the cold water like this, you'll see it perk up pretty quickly. So once you've got your lettuce sort of soaked, you can see some of the dirt is maybe coming off in the bowl. Don't go on and pour the water back over the lettuce, right? Pick the lettuce up out of your water and then you'll stick it in the salad spinner colander. So I'll stick it in here, go on and just dump this dirty water. And this is a really easy and fast way to get your lettuce nice and dry. The drier the lettuce, the more length of time it's going to last in the refrigerator. And plus, the drier the lettuce, the easier your dressing will stick to your salad, so you don't have to use so much. It's a little break on the lid there. Now, once I've got that packed up, I like to take the lettuce leaves like this, and I'll just, again, put them in a plastic bag. I will put a paper towel or a tea towel in there to absorb some of the water, but still leave the lettuce in a nice environment where it's gonna have just the right amount of humidity. Sometimes you're battling the humidity or lack thereof that might be in your refrigerator. So this helps, again, encourage your lettuce to last for at least a week. So like I said, you can use a paper towel. Go on and put it in a bag. Or you can use something like a tea towel. If you don't want to use the paper. So either way, this will last for about a week in the refrigerator. If you'd rather just deal with a whole head of lettuce, you can do a similar thing, but you won't be washing it first. You'll just take the entire intact head, just like this, go on and wrap it up, either in a paper towel or in a tea towel. And again, that towel is just going to encourage the right level of humidity to help keep your lettuce fresh for about a week. And then you'd be able to go and put this in a bag as well. And again, you can put it in either the crisper drawer or the refrigerator, wherever you know you'll see it and use it.